I'm Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how can install Anaconda in MacBook Air. Recently, I bought a MacBook Air. I used to work with Ubuntu and Windows, so it is little bit of challenging to use the MacBook Air for me. So, first time I'm going to install Anaconda in my MacBook. So I thought that it will be helpful for others also, like those who are new to MacBook or like any Mac devices. It will help them. Okay, so let me first go to the Anaconda. Close this one. Let me take. Okay, so I'm going to search for Anaconda. Yeah, so we can see that here we can have Anaconda. Okay, so they are automatically detected my OS. Okay, for OS it's detecting. Okay, so I'm click on download here. Okay, so it says like, do you want to allow downloads in .com? Yeah, just allow it. Okay, seems to be downloading. We can check that if they are providing like any kind of instructions here. Thank you for downloading. Okay, Anaconda video instructions. They have some sign up and all those things. Okay, you can check the download on the folder. Yeah, this is still download is in progress. Think it is may take some couple of minutes. Okay, so it's done. It's actually 619.7 MB. Okay, so let me click on this. This package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. Allow it, this one. You need to install it. Do you want to install it now? Yeah, install it. So it's downloading. It's asking for password. So let me type it. Okay. Okay, so download is in progress. Yeah, it's done. This pack. Okay, this is now it is running few supporting document. Earlier it's run like supporting document. Now it is installing the Anaconda now. Okay, so let me click on continue. Okay, click on continue and click on continue. Yeah, if you want, like you can read like all the license agreement. Most of the time, like we will just click agree. Okay, now the destination selection install to specific disk. Yeah, we can follow the me only installation type. Location, I don't want to change the location. Let it run in the default location. Usually, like if you change the location, then we have to update the path and all those things. Usually, we do that in Windows and Ubuntu. Here, like I'm not that much confident since I'm new to Mac, so I just prefer to do it in a default location. So installation is in progress. Okay, they are saying that install time remaining less than a minute. Okay. Okay. Still in progress. it's still in progress. Maybe I. So now it's asking installer would like to access the files. I'm clicking on allow. Okay, so it is done. Then data spell, then summary, then close. Do you want to move the Anaconda installer to bin? Click on yes. Okay, so it is. I hope this is done. So maybe I can check. Go to terminal. So I think that terminal. Okay, yeah, this is the terminal. You can type Conda. Yes, it's actually installed. So I think it's very easy, straightforward step. No fancy. So I can. We have like all the Conda. And forgot that exact. Conda. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.